Very windy out here. It's gonna rain probably, but we're gonna try and beat the rain. What's up, YouTube? This is Cooking with Doug. I'm back again with my Blackstone air fryer and griddle combo. Today for you guys, quick, I'm gonna air fry in the Blackstone griddle some drumsticks and some wings. AJ's favorite chicken part is drumsticks. And I'm just gonna make me some wings as well. So I'm gonna season all of it up. I'm gonna use my go-to, link will be in the description, pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. And I'm gonna use some apple wood rub. Y'all know I love that, my subscribers. Only difference I'm gonna do them separate. I'm gonna do the drumsticks by themselves and the wings in a separate basket. And then I'm gonna finish mine off with some barbecue sauce. AJ doesn't like barbecue sauce, and that's fine. So let's begin. Gonna hit it with some avocado oil in my EVO sprayer. Olive oil will be fine. Link will be in the description to the sprayer. If you don't have one, get one. Real simple, guys. And finally, this is some good stuff right here, man. Gotta hurry up. It's supposed to rain within the next hour. It may not. North Carolina, sometimes it says it's gonna rain and it doesn't. But I am enjoying this cool breeze. That's for sure. Oh yeah. Smells fantastic already. Yeah. That's seasoned. Let's do AJ's drumsticks first. I don't know how much will fit in here. How many more we have? I know the pack wasn't that big. Oh, we got one more. Okay, that's cool. We'll cram it in there. Boom. Alright, that works. See? Do my wings. Flats and drumettes. Oh, that wing feels so great, man. I love it. Too bad it's gonna rain. I'll just stay out here for the rest of the evening. Alright, let's get this party rocking and rolling. Turn that on. Have it plugged in. I'm gonna put it on high. Give it some gas. Man, it's smelling fantastic out here.
Now connected to Galaxy S10 Plus.
Okay. And by the way, I forgot to tell you I set a timer. How much longer on my timer?
You have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left on your 15-minute timer on Cooking with Doug show.
Okay. So I set a 15-minute timer, so we'll check it then. In the meantime, I'm going to turn on these burners. Turn on my middle. Turn on the middle. Found these in my freezer, y'all. Veggie medley. I think I got this from Sam's with asparagus. And I know I got this, I think, from Trader Joe's. I'll put that in there. And I'm going to throw in some red onions in there. Should be cool. Alright guys, 15 minutes have passed. Let's take a look. Look at that. I'm going to let these go for about another 10 minutes. Should be good. Oh yeah. Got some mushrooms. Chef AJ wanted me to tell y'all hi. And look at that. I'm gonna add some seasoning and chop and mix it up, and we should be good. I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce to my wings, and fry in the next 10 minutes, we should be good or less. I'm gonna follow suit by adding some apple wood rub to this. I'll wait till the wind goes away. Okay. Add a little of this too, of course. Keep everything uniform. Alright, now we're going to mix everything together. Alright guys, these are my wings. They're done right now, but like I said, I'm gonna toss this in some barbecue sauce and throw it back in there for another 5 minutes, and we should be good. Oh, it smells so good, guys. It smells fantastic. And both sides are done, by the way. I didn't even have to flip. Normally I use Sweet Baby Ray's, but today I'm gonna use some low carb barbecue sauce. Show my viewers some alternative choices. It's good too, by the way. Put this back in for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, I turned the griddle off. We are done. So let that sit there for a bit. These can go for a little bit longer. I flipped these, by the way. And these, yeah, these are done to my liking. So here's what I'm gonna do. Y'all know this air fryer basket is for keep warm only. So I'm gonna switch it. This is how AJ's wings look. Perfect. This is how my wings look. Let's make a plate. There it is, guys. Now it's getting dark out here. I don't know if how well you can see it, but that's good. Let me take one of Ashton's legs. How crispy that sounds. You take a bite first. You got it? That is good. Now let's have some of mine. Let's have some veggies, mushrooms, all this stuff. Shout to Sis M one time. He said you want me to make some veggies. There you go. You take the first bite. You got it? Mm-hmm. That's good. Have a wing with me, y'all. See, look at that. It was supposed to rain. Ain't even rain. You got it? Man, that's perfect. It's full off the bone good. It's too good. No, I gotta have a flat. I know some of y'all like flats. Please eat that. You want that part? Got it? Mm. Mm, 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 mm. That's good. Low carb. Mm. I got that barbecue sauce at Walmart. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Well, let me wrap this up, get everything in there, clean out my baskets, and get AJ's dinner, rest of his dinner ready. He ain't eating these veggies, y'all know that. Um, but I want to encourage you guys to keep doing what you're doing. I see a lot of people out there wearing their mask out there. That's great. You know, try and stay home as much as you can. I know you can't stay home all the time, but just try and limit it as much as possible. But also, I want to encourage you, if you have a backyard or open space at your residence, enjoy it. Enjoy the fresh air. No one said you can't go in your own backyard. All right, but just wanted to just do this quick little video for you guys on my Blackstone Grill and Griddle. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got an Instagram, look me up on Instagram, Cooking with Doug. Other than that, hit like if you like it. Remember to subscribe. If anything, thanks for even looking at my video, y'all. It's Cooking with Doug.